Math 1, your final benchmark, number 21. A student decides to save money and compares two methods. Method 1, put away $200 now and add $50 to the amount each month, and T would be for the number of months or time. Method 2, use $200 to start a savings account, earning 1.1% interest per month for T months. Alright, so which system of equations can be used to determine when the total amount Y in dollars will be equal to both methods? Alright, so method 1. Let's go ahead and try to write an equation here. So if we look at method 1, put away $200 now, so that's the initial deposit, so that would be your y-intercept, and add $50 to the amount each month. So the first equation is going to look something like y equals 50 times T months, number of months, plus the money that you started with, which is $200. All right, and method 2 says use $200 to start the savings. So again, they're going to have an initial amount of $200 and earns 1.1% interest per month. So when we're earning a percent and it's above 1%, that is a growth, exponential growth. So this equation is going to be the y equals a times b raised to the t power. So y equals, again, the initial amount is 200. B is our growth factor. This is 1.1%, so remember 1.1%, you move it 2 decimal places, equals 0.011. All right, and with the growth function, it's always going to be 1 plus your interest rate. So the 0.011, and then raised to the t power. All right, so which system of equations is used to determine the total amount in dollars? All right, so the first one says 50 times t plus 200. Well, that would be okay, except the parentheses means you distribute that, so that one will not be right, because 50 times 200 is not the initial amount of 200. All right, so B part says 50t plus 200, so this equation is correct. And then 200 times the 0.011. So they forgot to do the 1 plus the interest, so this one is not right. That one's not right there. So B is not correct. And then 50, this one has the parentheses again, so hopefully D is correct. So we got 50t plus 200, so that one is correct. And then 200 times the 1.011 raised to the t power. So that's the same thing as what we have right here. So D is the correct answer for number 21. So sometimes it's best to look at the information, write your own equations, and then see which one matches the answers. Number 21, D.